Hello and welcome to the TAP Business School. In this video, we'll be discussing the basics of business bookkeeping. This guide is ideal for new businesses, or those who feel they need a more thorough understanding of bookkeeping basics. We'll be discussing an overview of bookkeeping, the best bookkeeping software, and the pros and cons of doing your own bookkeeping, rather than outsourcing. So let's start with the fundamentals. Bookkeeping is simply the process of keeping a record of all your business's transactions. That can include things like income, expenses, assets such as equipment, and liabilities such as loans. It's really important to lay the foundations of your business with a solid bookkeeping process, as this will help you understand how well your business is doing financially. It's also crucial for completing your annual accounts and tax returns so that your accountant can calculate the amount of tax you owe to HMRC. Bookkeeping is essential whether you're a sole trader, partnership, or a limited company. But each of these business structures have different obligations for the records they keep. As a small sole trader, you generally only need to keep basic records of your income and expenditure. However, limited companies, partnerships, and larger sole traders need to be more thorough by completing what's known as double-entry bookkeeping. This is where all transactions are recorded with their opposite entry, such as how they were paid for. For example, you'd record a supplier invoice that shows the expense, and the opposite entry would be the amount owed to the supplier. Your bank accounts must be reconciled, and a detailed breakdown of money owed from customers and to suppliers must be kept. It's good practice to get into the habit of regular and accurate bookkeeping. It allows you to have a comprehensive overview of your business's performance, so you can be quick to react to any potential cash flow problems. Bookkeeping is also important for keeping on top of credit control. Keeping up to date and informed through bookkeeping is the best way to spot potential problem areas and address them before they get out of control. So now we know why bookkeeping is important, how exactly do we manage it efficiently? Most businesses should consider using bookkeeping software. There are now plenty of options for managing your finances digitally, and most software providers will even include a mobile app, making it easier than ever to manage your day-to-day business bookkeeping. Software is convenient and more accurate. It's also more adaptable and scalable down the line as your business grows. These days, accounting software is easier to set up and manage than ever before, so you may as well set yourself up in this way at the start. Here at the Accountancy Partnership, we provide free bookkeeping software to our clients called Pandle. Pandle is refreshingly simple and easy to use, but will allow you to keep accurate double-entry records for your business. It's important to remember you also need to keep your invoices and receipts for up to 6 years, just in case you're ever audited by HMRC. However, with Pandle, you can simply take pictures of these documents before uploading and attaching them to their relevant transactions, helping to keep all your records in one place. Now that you know how to manage your business's bookkeeping, it's time to consider whether you can manage it yourself or if you'd prefer the peace of mind of outsourcing it to a professional. Being able to manage your own bookkeeping is a great skill to have, especially for startups and small businesses, as you'll be able to have a thorough understanding of your business's income and expenditure. This will help you make informed decisions about your business. Of course, doing your own bookkeeping is also a cheaper option, which is great when you're starting out. However, as your business grows, you might want to spend more time on the development of your business, rather than on the day-to-day bookkeeping. And it might be easier to receive an overview rather than managing the fine details yourself. There are other advantages to outsourcing your bookkeeping too, such as the fact you won't need to learn how to use any new software or get your head around bookkeeping principles. A trained bookkeeper is also much more likely to get things accounted for correctly, ensuring the accuracy of your bookkeeping records. Small business owners will generally benefit from doing their own bookkeeping, but as your business grows, outsourcing may become a better option. Thanks for watching. If you need any more information about bookkeeping, please head to our website at www.theaccountancy.co.uk or give us a call using the number on screen.